So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here I am back with another brand new learning opportunity which will help you to gain insights regarding game. So are you ready to turn your passion for gaming into an epic career? So here basically Google Play and Unity are partnering to launch an incredible 6-month training program and certification program for the Indian gamers developers based in Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. So basically here this is a chance to level up your world class skills in design, development and monetization. Master Unity through on demand courses, interactive webinars and get certified too. So be quick, only 500 spots are available. So you need to be quick and hurry and register it. So basically here what you'll gain, basically here you'll gain insights about the gaming development and get a chance to build your portfolio and real world experience, which is most important for the gaming industry. Now, here are some important dates which you need to take care of. So, basically, applications will be opening from 18th of August and it will be ending. Basically, the application form will close on 17th of September 2025 and the official program will be starting from November 2025, right? So here application are open from now until 17th of 2025 September. So don't just play the game. Now it's time to build it. Now here let me show you basic things. So here you can see all these things are mentioned over here and only 500 selected individuals will be a part of this event. So how they will basically select it, we'll cover all these things in this video only. Do not worry about it. So let me show you some important things over here. So basically, this program is specifically designed for game developers with world-class technical skills. Okay. So the coursework is basically they have self-paced learning using Unity on demand training curricula. You can see over here. Here are the pathways also. And there will be interactive learning opportunities like webinars, as I said earlier. And after that, there will be exam for giving the Unity Certified Associate certification. Now, what are the benefits? Many of you are asking what are the benefits of enrolling in this program. So, this program will basically help you to enhance your skills and grow your knowledge and boost your portfolio and resume and you are getting free training. Yes, these trainings are very much costly, and you are getting free of cost training from Unity itself. And you will get a chance to make real time 3D contents also. Apart from this, after just completing all the modules, you'll get a chance to attend an examination and you'll be globally recognized with this certificate. And this certification holds a very great value. Now, here another important thing is that to be eligible for this event, what is the important thing is that you must be based on Tamil Nadu or Maharashtra. Let's read the terms and conditions. So here are the terms and conditions. If you want, you can view over here. So they have mentioned that your age must be at least 18 years of age. That is the legal age in India. Apart from this, you must be residing in Maharashtra and have a registered business or anything. Basically, if you are a game developer and you are running your game business, you can just check it also that your business must be running in Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu also. Now, second important thing is that if you are a business participant, like if you are just doing game development as a part of your job, so if you have registered it, then you need to make sure that your business is duly registered with the government of India and compliance with all the rules and regulations. And if you are just a normal student, you can just do it also. Like you don't have to demonstrate whether you are a businessman or not. You can just apply it. They will just select and contact you. Okay. Now here are the basic things and the key dates are all things are available here. Now here they have mentioned that there will be training program for the selected 500 peoples on November 2025 to April 2026 and the offline events will be over these places. Okay. So they will notify it once you are selected. So basically applications how they will select it. Okay. So they will just select the peoples who have You have to demonstrate your experience in the game development. They will check your educational background. Just they will basically verify your credentials, whether you are a real person or you are just professional, whether you are perfect for this event or not. So they will just verify it and then they will mail you. Now here you have seen the eligibility criteria. Okay. Now here are the pathways. Like if you want to just visit it, you can just open it. And here you can just see the prerequisites, that what are the prerequisites for this course and how you can just start it. Okay. So basically you have to refer to the terms and participation and just read the all the queries and all these things if you want to check it, that how will be qualified and disqualified. All these things are mentioned over here. You can just check this also. Now here come over here, and one more important thing is that the process is of 6 months and the entire learning is of 40 to 60 hours. And after that, there will be an exam of 3 hours, which is held online on demand. And I think there will be proctored exam. So make sure to prepare for the exam beforehand and the result will be posted after 48 hours. Okay. Now all these things are here, key dates are here and supporting partners you can see all these things are here. Now let's move to the FAQ section, right? So here, if you, by joining these programs, you acquire demand skills, industry experience, and just receive the training. Out of all, this is the most important, that you are getting the certification and all these things free of cost. Now, if you are not from Tamil Nadu, what you can do? So basically, I think if you are not from Tamil Nadu or Maharashtra, you cannot apply it. But if they allow, like you can travel to Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra on the event day, I think it will be working. So I will share the email ID. You can just check it out. Now here, for submit any eligibility verification proof, so they have to basically, if you are applying, you must self attest at the time of application. That is proof of your documentation. Okay, like maybe your proof, like whether you are a resident of this place or not, your certificates, your, if you have made any gaming projects, you can share it also. Now here another thing is that here the language will be English and the training will be conducted from Google led instructors and will be 6 months and will be ending on April 30, 2026. Now here all these FAQs are here, you can just check it. If you want to see, you can just read all the FAQs. I am only sharing the important things also. So if you want to contact them, like if you want to contact what are the documents you have to share with them, so you can just email them over here. So this is the basic event. Like you can just train yourself and become the part of this Unity development game program. So make sure to register it. How you have to register? You have to just click on this register option, and here you have to just enter all your details and just submit it. Okay, once you submit it, you will get a copy of this response, and if you face any single issue, you can just email them. They have mentioned the email over here, you can email them. And that's how this event is about, to take the best of it. Thank you guys, have a great day.